Oppo Find X9 Pro 5G, a premium powerhouse with cutting-edge performance. Discover the rumored specs, features, and what to expect from Oppo's upcoming flagship. The Oppo Find X9 Pro 5G is generating significant buzz in the smartphone world, and for good reason. With a rumored price tag of 69,990 Indian rupees, this flagship device aims to set a new benchmark in the premium smartphone segment. While official details are still unconfirmed, early specifications hint at a powerful, feature-rich device designed for tech enthusiasts, content creators, and everyday users alike. Sleek display with ultra-smooth experience. At the forefront of the Oppo Find X9 Pro 5G is its 6.82-inch LTPO AMOLED display, boasting a crisp resolution of 1264 by 2780 pixels and a 120 Hz refresh rate. This combination not only offers vivid visuals and deep contrast but also ensures buttery smooth scrolling and animations. The punch-hole design further enhances the immersive viewing experience, ideal for streaming, gaming, or browsing. Photography redefined. Oppo has always been known for its camera prowess, and the Find X9 Pro 5G continues that tradition. The smartphone is equipped with a 50MP quad-rear camera setup with optical image stabilization, OIS, allowing users to capture professional-grade photos even in low light. Video enthusiasts will appreciate the 4K at 30 frames per second video recording capabilities. On the front, a 50MP selfie camera promises detailed and vibrant selfies, making it a strong contender for photography lovers. High-end performance with Android 15. Under the hood, the Oppo Find X9 Pro 5G is rumored to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chipset, an octa-core processor engineered for speed and efficiency. Paired with 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage, this device is built for multitasking and high-performance applications. It will reportedly run on Android V15, offering a seamless and up-to-date user experience with enhanced privacy and performance features. All-day battery life and rapid charging. Battery performance is another highlight, with a massive 6,500 mAh battery ensuring all-day usage without compromise. Oppo's signature charging technology takes center stage with 120W fast charging, 65W wireless charging, and 10W reverse charging, allowing users to stay powered up anytime, anywhere. Premium connectivity and extra features. In terms of connectivity, the Find X9 Pro 5G is future-ready with 5G, 4G VoLTE, NFC, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi. The inclusion of a USB-C version 3.1 port, IR blaster, and in-display fingerprint sensor further adds to the phone's convenience and security features. However, it lacks memory card support, so users will need to rely on its ample built-in storage. Conclusion. The Oppo Find X9 Pro 5G appears to be a strong contender in the premium smartphone market, combining top-tier hardware with stylish design and future-ready features. While these specifications are yet to be officially confirmed, the expected features suggest a device that can comfortably compete with the best Android smartphones in 2025. If Oppo delivers on these promises, the Find X9 Pro 5G will be a powerhouse worth waiting for.